Hello everybody, welcome to I Camp in My Kitchen. I am Priya Srinivasan. Do you know April 4th is celebrated as World Carrot Day? Me and my blogger friend Veena Krishnakumar, who blogs at Veena's Veg Nation, come together again with two delicious carrot recipes, a savory and a sweet. Please find Veena's recipe link in my description box below. Moving on, today we are going to learn how to make a simple carrot stir fry, a South Indian style carrot curry with coconut. Hope you made a note of the ingredients. Now let us proceed to the recipe. Heat a heavy bottom pan or a kadai. Keep the flame simmer. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. When it is hot, add mustard seeds and let it splutter. Next, add curry leaves, hing and turmeric powder, and broken red chilies. Salt quickly. Next, add the grated carrots and salt. Make sure the flame is in simmer while you are doing all this. Sprinkle little water. Cover and cook for 5 to 8 minutes in a medium flame. By this time, the carrots would be almost done. Add salt, mix well, sprinkle little water, cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure the flame is in medium. Now the sabzi is done. Remove the cover. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Mix well. Take it off the flame. The carrot sabzi is now ready. You can serve this along with any rice dishes. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy recipes. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now. Have a great day.